Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So for today, we will cook lasagna with homemade pasta, easy to make. So let's start. So these are the main ingredients for the lasagna. So we will make our first pasta. So we will need 1.5 cup of plain flour, 2 eggs, 1 pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and we will use a rolling pin. If you don't want to make the pressed pasta, you can skip this part and buy a pasta sheet in the grocery store. And for the fillings, we will do a bolognese. So we will need half kilo of ground pork. We will use 1 onion chopped in brunoise, 2 garlics, 1 shredded carrot, black pepper, and oregano, and tomato sauce. So for the bechamel, we will use 100 grams of plain flour and 100 grams of butter for the roux, and milk half liter, and we will use as well mozzarella. So, and then we will gratin it in the oven. So let's go. So in a bowl, we will put the plain flour and the 2 eggs. Mix them together. Make sure you wash your hands, so for hygiene, to make a dough. Mix it well until you form a dough, and then we will cover it with cling film, and we will put it to rest like half an hour. I think you're ready. Okay na po yung pasta natin. Manipis po siya. Kailangan natin po siyang patuloyan dyan. Gagawin na po natin yung filling natin. Bolognese. So we'll put a little bit of oil. We'll start with the onions. Igigisa na po natin yung onions. Roast the onions. We will put the garlic as well. Bawang. Pwede na po natin ilagay yung carrots natin. Yung pwede na itong ilagay yung pork. Una mattina, isulog sa to. Pwede na po lang italagay natin yung tomato sauce. Una mattina, oregano, show. Pwede na po natin siyang lagyan ng pepper and oregano para pulasado. And salt. Show. Takpan po natin siya. Pwede na po nating lutuin yung pasta. So in a boiling water, pwede na po nating lutuin yung pasta natin. Dapat manipis lang po siya. Lagyan po natin ng salt at saka oil so hindi po siya dikit-dikit. Saglit lang po, mga 1 minute lang po siya kasi igagalatin po natin siya sa oven mamaya. Homemade pasta. Now we have the filling, the bolognese, and the pasta. Now we will make the bechamel. For the roux, we need 100 grams of butter, equivalent to 100 grams of flour. That's roux. I-melt po natin yung butter. Kung melt na po yung butter natin, pwede na po natin ilagay yung flour. Mix po ng maayos para hindi po siya may mga buo-buo po. Dapat tanggalin yung buo-buo. Kaya dapat sakto yung measurement din. Dahan-dahan po natin ilagay yung milk. Dapat pasensyoso po kayo dito sa paggagawa ng bechamel. Sure na wala po siyang bubuo para creamy po yung bechamel natin. Saka yung fire niya po dapat slow fire. So hindi po masusunog yung gatas. So we will salt it with salt and pepper. If you have nutmeg, you can put as well. But in this case, we don't have, so okay lang. Dapat creamy po yung bechamel natin. Ating gawin yung amantara yung lasagna. First we will put pasta, tapos yung filling niya. Tapos mozzarella. A little bit of bechamel. So again, lasagna sheet, and then again fillings, mozzarella, bechamel, at least 3 layers, guys. 3 layers. 3 beautiful layers. And again, spill po natin. Kasi ito na pa yung last layer. Tapos more mozzarella. Oregano. That's it guys. Lasagna. Tapos i-bake po natin siya. So i-oven po natin siya. I-gratin po natin. 10 minutes. Pwede na po natin kunin yung ating beautiful lasagna. What the? So heavy. Lasagna by Chef Warren. So this is it, our beautiful beef lasagna with homemade pasta, easy to make. Please guys, like and subscribe to my channel, Tim Martinez, for more video recipes, blog, to review of my son, etc. Thank you very much. God bless.